Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the slow motion speed on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's open the camera and then let's switch to the slow motion mode. In order to have slower videos, you can use more FPS. So if you tap in the top right corner and then you switch to the full HD resolution, then you can record in 240 FPS, which is 1/8 speed of the slow motion of the video. And if you switch to 120, then as you can see, it is only the quarter. So in addition to that, if you record a video, if you record the slow motion, then you can also open the video and now we can edit it. So press this pen icon over here, and here we have the timeline. We can adjust these strip lines over here, these vertical lines, and then drag it out more to the left or to the right in order to adjust the slow motion zone. So the straight line is the normal speed of the slow motion video, and this one is pretty much the slow motion effect. So you can extend it and have it throughout the whole video pretty much. As you can see, it also changes the video speed over here. So if I change it, make it smaller, then I have only 4 seconds. And if I extend it throughout the whole video, it is now 19 seconds. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.